What's up guys, this is JinSam's Korean class. So I'm gonna check up things we studied the last time together. I told you to make natural sentences we have to use something with subject, right? So for example, 나, right? I. So what we have to put in? That's right. 는. Okay, polite one. 저. 는, same, right? Okay, you. 너. Okay, 는. 당신. 은. Okay. 그. 는. 그녀. Of course. 는. 그들. 은. 우리. 는. Actually, there is rules when we're gonna put 는, when we're gonna put 은. But anyway, I told you last time, like I said last time, this one just memorize. I will explain later. Okay, so good job. I think you guys memorized perfectly. So anyway, we finished first step to make natural sentences. So from next class, we're gonna start up making sentences. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time.